Getting a great rock bass sound without having a bass guitar can be tricky, and finding a great sounding bass VST plugin isn't the easiest thing to do. Luckily, Ujam has several virtual bassist plugins for home studio recording, and today we're looking at Ujam's Virtual Bassist Rowdy. Welcome to Simple Green Tech. I'm Radio Zane, and if you're new to the channel, I do audio tech tips, tutorials, and reviews to help you unleash your creativity. And if you're not new to the channel, thank you so much for coming back. Now today, I'm going to be tackling the issue of finding a great sounding bass plugin for rock music styles. Ujam, they have several virtual instrument products like virtual guitars, virtual drummers, and today we're specifically looking at the Virtual Bassist line as we check out Virtual Bassist Rowdy. And I've linked to Ujam's site, and I've also linked to Plugin Boutique as they sometimes have sales on the Ujam products. So you can check out both of those links to see the current pricing and to get some more information about the Ujam products. I have Virtual Bassist Rowdy loaded up in Traction Waveform 10, and I'm using my M Audio Keystation 32 Mini to control it. You don't need a MIDI keyboard to use this plugin, but it can really help with your creativity if you have one. So let's give a couple of the presets a listen. Rowdy has 40 different rock styles with over 450 rock phrases. The phrases can be accessed when you're using the player mode, and if you flick the switch over to instrument mode, you can control all the phrasing yourself. Over on the left side, you have your common phrases. There are also some fills for those common phrases. And in the center area here, you have style phrases with fills. And over on the right side is where you choose the actual notes that you're going to be playing. Now, this is all the stuff that you'll use in player mode. If you're in instrument mode, you don't need to worry about any of this. And now let's look at how to use player mode. First, we'll select a preset style. I'll then hold down a key for the phrasing and play some notes. Okay, let's try out some of the other presets with their specific style phrases. Home studio musicians that create a more hard rock style of music should be pretty happy with the bass guitar sound of Ujam's Virtual Bassist Rowdy. Let me know in the comments below if you plan on giving Ujam's Virtual Bassist Rowdy a try, or let me know what you currently use as your bass guitar plugin. Click this video up here to see my free drum VST plugin video, or click this one down here to see what YouTube recommends you watch next. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more videos like this one. For Simple Green Tech, I'm Radio Zane, and we'll talk soon.